That's a sound we don't hear very much out in these parts. It's coming down. It's got to be a fire truck. We have our fire station up the hill here. Let's see. Fire truck. Yeah, we don't hear too much of that. Must be an accident or something that just happened. But yeah, we got some rain coming down here in Arizona, and we're loving it when the weather's like this. Smells. That's one thing I can't put into the vision right now. It's just the smell, the freshness that comes off the desert when this rain starts to fall. Gosh, unbelievable. I wish you were here, boys. I know you know what it smells like, my sons. We got some rain. I got some time lapse happening over here. It's starting to rain pretty good, so once the lens gets covered with water, it kind of screws the shot up, but we'll see what we have. Awesome day in Arizona.
The world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.